the spectrum of issues under consideration in Parliament two are two extremes. It could be related to poverty or on a very technical subject as civil nuclear liability bill. Mostly it depends on the choice of the members on which issues they want to speak or participate in the debates. I have felt that mostly the support comes from the library, from the Ladi section of the Parliament, but majority of the members of Parliament tend to do the work on their own. Of course, Google and other research sites are very handy about it. But now a trend which is there with Parliament is bringing a great advantage. There are many groups and organizations which come forth with a lot of materials for reading. And I think that is coming in a big way. For example, PRS, which has come up to support us, which is your organization, has become a credible source of research documentation, research material for members of the Parliament. So I think it is not very specific whether you go to an internet, whether you look through books, whether you look through old records, go through the archives, but all this requires time, and probably not all members of Parliament find so much of time. So assistance from outside is relevant and is important. The Constitution Club of India, which is one of its only kind and has been in existence for more than 55 years, is basically a group comprising of members of Parliament and former members of Parliament. It was felt that in the charter of the Constitution Club of India, the activity which forms the base of the club, which is research, which is briefing on parliamentary affairs, which is briefing on legislative work, we thought about it for a while, and we found PRS partnered with us and to brief members of Parliament on various issues in Parliament, basically in reference to the bills or the legislative work, which is now we have termed it as Thursday briefings. And I think this idea of Thursday briefing, which because we have large number of legislative bills which are pending or under in consideration, whether in the Lok Sabha, the lower house, or in the Raj Sabha, in the upper house. So I think these briefings on relevant bills of various ministries has come in very handy, and that is what we call Thursday briefing. So it's another action which we have initiated from the Constitutional Club in partnership with PRS, is working very fine. It's a grand initiative jointly taken up by PRS and the Constitution Club of India, and we really appreciate the initiative taken by PRS to screen youngsters who could be interested in parliamentary work. And as a pilot project this time, the Constitution Club of India and PRS have partnered to find legislative assistants. PRS has trained them. Constitution Club of India has provided logistical support, and they have been attached to several members of Parliament, and I believe the pilot project comprises of about 12 members of Parliament who are using them. And I can tell you, I have been discussing and talking to many of my colleagues who have these parliamentary assistants, and they are very happy about their performance, and I think there is a great requirement to enhance this personal assistance for the legislators. I think it's a radical idea, it's a very good idea, and this whole project is working very fine. There is a lot of appreciation in members of Parliament.